Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add text on top of an image in WordPress using Elementor. If you've ever wanted to create beautiful hero sections, attention-grabbing banners, or just spice up a page with stylish text overlays, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know how to create those professional-looking images with clear, readable text every single time. Let's jump right in. We'll be using Elementor's background image technique, which is my go-to method because it's flexible and you can really make your design stand out without needing extra plugins or code. First thing you'll do is create a container. Think of a container as the empty frame where your image and text will live, like putting up a clean canvas before you start painting. Just drag a container from the Elementor panel, or in some versions you might see it called a section, and drop it right where you want your image with text to appear. Now it's time to add your image. Hover over your new container and you'll see a little handle made up of 6 dots at the top left. That's what you want. Go ahead and click that handle. Over on the left side, you'll see the settings for your container pop up. Click on the Style tab and under Background, hit that classic paintbrush icon. This is where you actually upload your image, so find a picture that fits your design and click Upload. To make your image display perfectly no matter the screen size, set the size to Cover. This way it fills the whole container with no awkward blank spaces or stretching. For position, choose Center. This means the most important part of your image always stays in view, whether someone's on a phone or a computer. It's a small detail, but it makes your design look polished and intentional. With your image in place, let's add the text. Head back to the left panel and drag over a heading widget if you want bold, attention-grabbing text, or a text editor widget if you need more lines or smaller text. Drop this right inside your container. Now type whatever you want your visitors to read. Maybe it's a page title, a welcome message, or a call to action like Shop Now. But here's a crucial step: styling your text so it's readable. If there's one thing you take from this video, let it be this: always make sure your text stands out against your background. Click your text widget and jump into the Style tab. Here you can set the color. White usually works great over darker images, but don't be afraid to experiment. If your text blends into the photo or seems difficult to read, don't worry, there's a simple fix. This is where the magic happens: adding a background overlay. Go back to your container's Style tab and scroll down to Background Overlay. Pick a solid color, typically black or dark gray. Then set the opacity to around 0.5. This lets the image show through, but the overlay darkens it just enough so your text really pops and is easy on the eyes. It's kind of like putting on sunglasses on a sunny day. Everything's clearer, but you're still enjoying the view. And that's it. Take a few moments to preview your changes and adjust the spacing or colors if you need. You now have a modern, professional-looking text-on-image section in Elementor. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or if something didn't quite work for you, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and hit subscribe for more practical WordPress and Elementor tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.